Hi, this is Zandy from SoIMakeStuff.com, and I'm going to be demoing how to do a stacked decrease. Stacked decreases are used to make a lobed edge or to create interesting color effects in knit fabrics. This little leaf is a great way to practice. This is available. A pattern for this is available as a free download on my blog and on Ravelry. My designer name is Zandy Peters, and so I'm just going to show you how to do these special little stitches that create the interesting shape. To begin, you'll probably be working with a pattern or with the cast-on instructions for the gauge swatch that are found in my blog article. But I've just cast on some stitches to demo this, and I'm using Addy turbos because they make some of the decreases easier to do. But they are circular, and you do not need circulars to do this. You can do it on straight needles. So let's begin. First, I'm going to do a 2-stitch border just to start out. So 1, 2, and then I'm going to start the decrease. The decrease starts with another 2 knit stitches. And then we're going to do a stitch called S2, K3, P2, SO, and that means slip 2, knit 3 together, and pass the 2 stitches over. So let me show that. Slip 2, knit 3 together, and then just pass the 2 slip stitches over. This is interchangeable with knit 5 together, but I find it easier to do a lot of the time than struggling to get 5 stitches onto the needle. But you can do whatever you prefer. And now to finish this decrease, we're going to do a sequence called SB2, knit 3 together, and that's just slip back 2, meaning slip 2 stitches from the right needle to the left, like this, and that's so that they can be worked again. And then you're going to knit 3 together. So just knit those together, and you'll see that you've decreased another 2 stitches. And to do this particular decrease of 9 into 1, we're going to repeat this one more time. So slip back 2, and then knit 3 together. And you can see that we finished our little decrease and created the lobe. These are 2 completed swatches, and you can see here I've used the S2, K3, P2SO, and knit 5 together. It's a little bit hard to see the difference, so they're definitely a matter of personal preference. And these are all decreased 9 stitches into 1, but in this swatch, you can see the difference in heights that you can get by altering some of the numbers, and you can read more about that in my article. So you can see here 2 examples of where the decreases are used in a pattern, and I strongly urge you to try this oak leaf. It's a lot of fun, it's very quick, it's only 10 yards of yarn, so basically your scraps, and it shows both how to use the decreases along an edge, but also how to use them in the middle of a row to create what in other patterns makes color work here to create shaping. And you can also see how that's come into this pattern here, you might notice some other patterns that use stacked decreases. This is the petal cowl, and this is an example of the color work that I'm talking about. And in this pattern, the stitch is used in conjunction with stacked increases, which I will be doing a video demo of very soon. So stay tuned and have fun knitting. Bye.